Welcome to this new series where we're going to be making a carbon fiber hood for a pre-facelift E46, and this one is a 325 touring, so it's a wagon. And in this episode we are going to be taking the hood off, then washing the hood, and then we'll be inspecting it and seeing if there's going to be any problems. So enjoy this episode. This thing is flipping heavy. Oh, fucking hell. There we go, guys. Bonnet is off and it is stupid heavy. Definitely gonna weigh it and see how much it weighs, because we're gonna make this thing a shitload lighter. Okay boys, so we've started the next thing and I just have to get some carbon on this touring. So the hood is off, we've taken all the other bits off. There's quite a bit of work on it, like rust and stupid shit that was glued on, which has made my life more difficult than it needs to be. So yeah, we're going to be making a carbon hood with an M3 style little hump over here, and then not on this mold, but then the plan is to then also do like an E92 vent over here, like a small subtle little vent over here, like on the E92 M3s. Yeah, so before I even finish the first thing we were doing, which was the air suspension, I've already started doing the next thing before I finish the first thing. And then people wonder why my cars that I start working on are always on jacks, because I fucking start doing the next thing before I finish the first thing. So we're going to finish the air suspension like probably next week, and now I'm going to be driving around without a bonnet, but it's cool. Okay guys, so you saw that we just washed the hood. The detergent I was using was just degreaser. I think this hood's probably been resprayed actually. But there's a dent, there's 3 dents that need to get sorted out. And I think we'll just give this hood a polish. Side off the bat, rusted here. Gonna have to grind all that out. They try to fix the vent, so they glued it in. So there's fuck knows what this is, but it's hard and it's stuck to the metal. Gonna have to grind that off. Do some body filling, like up on this section here. It's pretty solid. It was super filthy, but it's looking a lot better now. This episode, and in the next one we are going to be doing a lot of grinding and neatening and priming, and we're also going to be trimming. We're going to be cutting some sections off that are unnecessary because I'm not going to reuse this bonnet afterwards. I'm literally going to hang it up in the factory. So yeah, we're going to cut off the stuff that's just going to make our lives hard. For instance, like this lip and these clips. So we'll be cutting that off, priming, so stay tuned. A little improvement we made on the garage. So you can see I moved my desk away into the factory, so I have an office in the factory. And so it's opened up the space in front where I can work on things. It'll be my work bench area. And yeah, I've done some other things as well. So you can kind of see now, got the toolbox here, a little lounge area here so I can chill and check, and some of my tools can be moved right here. The cars can chill over here. Got this cupboard space. This is pretty much open. I'm just busy cleaning. And then we put these 2 shelves in over here, and we took those rims and that motorbike away. And we put these shelves here. So now we can put the E46 stuff on the shelves. So as we're working on the car, we can put the stuff on the shelves, and yeah, I've got plenty of space now. So I've got the air suspension on here as well because it's for the BM. And then just some of the tools we were using at the time can just go back up here rather than everything sitting on the floor around the car, which is going to be great. Yeah, I think this is making a bit more sense now.